What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video from Saddlehead Media. Today we're going to be reacting to episode 9?
Yes.
Episode 9 of Chainsaw Man. Last time we left off with a very brutal death of Eye Patch Lady. She died.
Why are you talking so loud?
She died of, like, she just disappeared. Like, her arms disappeared, her legs disappeared. And then when Sasuke was fighting the worm,
Wrap it up.
the person, she was gone. So pretty brutal death. Okay, let's start it. Let's start the video.
Okay.
Start the video.
Jeez.
3, 2, 1,
Papa.
begin.
Who's that off her finger?
Things you give with a fingernail.
Oh. I ain't gonna lie, they have some cool demons in here.
Excuse me.
No. Oh.
Oh.
What's going on? Oh!
Oh!
Yo, why didn't someone think of that?
That's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, finally. Oh my god.
Well, I thought that was guns for a second.
Oh. I can't watch this. I gotta skip it.
And he's gone. And you're dead.
Oh!
Oh.
Bro, eat him real quick. Eat him and heal. Eat him and heal.
Where's power?
She ran off.
Oh.
Dang. Is that her brains?
Looks like it.
Sheesh.
Is that? Oh.
Come on, Makima. Can't go out like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You killed him immediately when you see blood. Oh, never mind.
黒瀬君天童ちゃん新幹線内で銃撃にあった死体があるから片付けさせて
She looks demonic, yo.
Something's wrong with her.
Especially with the blood.
どこか撃たれましたかこれは返り血私は撃たれなかった
Oh.
There's some gaping holes.
So the organization don't know she's a fiend or merged with a demon or something.
黒瀬君法務
Hey,
省
he's
から
done it before.
終身刑以上の犯罪者を
There's no
30
one to
人ほど
merge
借りて
with
きて
to be
天童ちゃん
out of life.
近くにあるできるだけ標高が高い神社を一つ貸し切って
おい、なんか変な感じだ。
変な感じってどういう
Oh!
Ooh.
Yo,
What was that? He's,
you know it's powerful when the enemies are shook.
he got like
Look at the eyes.
flattened.
Yeah,
シー
so.
ハンに再度マキマの死亡を確認させろ
Oh.
さっきからシーハンとの連絡が取れない。
Oh.
I think she's using them as a sacrifice or something.
I think so. Pop.
She's too OP, yo.
That's crazy.
Bro, get out of here with your yell every 2 seconds.
Oh, she just need to know their names.
井上隆と言いなさい
Bro, she's like a human Death Note.
Oh, yeah.
She's overpowered.
So why would they want Denji?
と思った
All this time, we always thinking she's just looking scary. She is scary.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
Oh.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
Yes.
Tell me she blitzed the old lady. Oh damn,
Ooh.
he's dead.
Well, I didn't like him anyways, but dang, that's
Brutal.
あなたたち
bro. I'm actually getting shivers.
I'm starting to like her
I'm just
already.
excited.
She finally redeemed. Yo.
Ooh, that's,
She redeemed herself.
bro, shoot her! Shoot!
Yeah, she redeemed herself.
I don't know if that's her human form or she's possessed, but she is she's pretty strong.
Yeah.
I think she's still human.
I don't know why I wanted to see the
wanna
grandma
see-
get violated.
Oh, here we go.
Or is that a grandpa?
Damn.
Dang. Oh my.
Finish chest.
Oh yeah.
こんな仕事してたらおかしくない
I think she's just in shock.
姫の先輩に会ったら離れるってよ
She doesn't know.
Yeah.
Even know.
Who's that?
まどかくん生きててよかった
Maradona?
徳井家はどれくらい生きてる
特に1課2課3課4課
With the
Omori
good
Juve
soccer
Kenya.
player?
人外以外はほとんど全員死にました人員不足のため特に1課2課3課は4課と合併以降公安大麻特異4課を牧間さんの指揮下に置きます
I don't know. It looks like she planned this,
Yeah.
but I can't be sure.
あとこれを
Or like she expected it to happen but
Oh,
didn't
yeah.
stop it.
僕の辞表です
やめちゃうのそう
Does he know something?
I think he's suspicious. No. Yeah.
最後に教えてください牧間さん
Bro,
は
why do all they got these cut over their
どこま
nose?
で想定していましたか
Anticipate.
一般市民に公安の内部事情を教えられないな
She knew that everything was gonna happen.
今までありがとう
Yeah,
これ
Maradona.
渡しておくね
What's that scar with their nose? I know you just said that, but I
あの
can't get over
牧間さん俺たち得意課に入るわけやないですからね
Oh yes, you are.
に来ただけですからね
1週間ですぐ京都に戻りますから
残念東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに
Man, you know they're dead.
Oh my!
If they leave, they're dead. Man.
So we gained a lot of important information for right now.
Yeah.
We learned some new people, new powers. We learned the name of that blonde girl, Wasanja.
What?
Wasanja.
No, that sounds like a black Wasandra.
I still didn't expect Denji to get bodied like that though. That was quick.
I mean, he's really inexperienced,
Yeah.
and the demons he's fought up until now has been like a strawberry or a bad
Mm.
freaking leech. So
I mean,
we haven't really seen him fight someone merged
Yeah.
with a demon before.
Or
So.
someone with actual combat skill, other than an actual full demon. Someone
Yeah.
who's in depth on using demon powers to fight.
two things. We've seen Denji get cut in half before. When that was like, I forgot when, like the first episode, like he was cut in half.
That's
And-
Yeah.
that's
And then the second thing is, I'm pretty sure that in the next couple episodes we're gonna see more of Makima's power, because that was a pretty crazy power. Like she would sacrifice I'm bleeding.
Continue. Just
She
a
would
little
like
bit.
she would sacrifice people to like kill other people, which is like a cool power.
And another thing is, can a fiend or a person merge with a demon have a contract with a demon? Because ain't no way, if she's a regular human and with a contract with a demon, once you get shot in the head and die, you die.
yeah.
But only like a person merge with a demon, I've only seen come back to life.
Yeah, that's right. I think she's a demon, like a full born demon. I think she's a full born demon. Or she has some manipulation thing.
Either she's like Denji and merge with a demon, half human, half demon. That's the only two options I see. But I don't know if they can form a contract with the demon if they're like half demon already, unless she's saying she has a contract with the demon. It's just a front, and it's just her actual power.
Could be.
But we know Makima is like a master planner.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think she knew what was going down the whole time. She just let it continue motion. She wasn't gonna stop it.
I can't even think of what that power could be.
Mm-mm.
Smashing someone's head in like that.
I was thinking gravity.
But that's the thing, though. I think she just implodes them
Mm-hmm.
or explodes them.
I think it's called something with sacrifice.
Mm.
Because, like, you kill someone and then you kill the other person.
I hope they do like a Uzumaki thing and with the Reaper Death Seal and it looks something like that.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, that would be. But yeah, that's it.
Yep.
We're gonna make this like
Stay
an hour
tuned
long
for
video.
episode 10. Saddlehead Media out.
Why you talking like that? Stay tuned for episode 10.